Hi, my name's Thomas. I'm a developer here at Vodia Networks. Today, I'm going to show you how our Vodia PBX integrates with Cliniko and how you can go about setting that up. When a call comes in, if there is a patient in your Cliniko database with a matching phone number, Vodia will provide a link to that patient's record. This will allow your admin staff to quickly get the details that they'll need to help your patients. To set this up, go into the Vodia admin panel. You will need version 6.9.5.4 or later. Open your tenant, go to Advanced, CRM Integration, and then find Cliniko. Here, choose which accounts can access this feature. Today, I'm setting this to all accounts, but if you wish, you can make a group of custom accounts in the Groups page under Settings. Now we need an API key from Cliniko. In Cliniko, click on your account name in the bottom left, click on My Info, and scroll down to Manage API Keys. Once here, click Add and create a new API key for the integration. Back over at Vodia, open the user portal for one of the extensions with Cliniko access, click on the extension profile and select Settings. Navigate to the Cliniko section, and here you just need to add your company's Cliniko URL and the API key you've just created, and you're all set. Thanks for listening. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.